Hey everyone, and welcome to another Decorate with me. Today we are going to be doing a cozy fall Halloween decorate indoors. So if that is definitely something that you would love to see and are in the spirit to watch, then this is the video for you. So we are just going to be tackling our daily to-dos, and then we are going to focus on decorating my home with simple decor that definitely screams holiday spirit, but is not unsightly to the space. So if that is the kind of content that you enjoy watching, please consider subscribing. Here on my channel, I do a lot of cleaning, organization, and decorating with simple decor that is absolutely affordable. So make sure you're subscribed, make sure those notifications are on so that you don't miss any future uploads. And thank you so much for watching today's video. If you are new here, hello, my name is Janay, and I do all things cleaning and organizing and decorating. So I am so glad that you are here. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. And thank you so much for sticking with me even through my short hiatus there. I don't know if many of you follow me over on my Instagram, but you will know that I did have some issues when it came to my computer. I completely shattered my screen. So now we are back filming and able to edit content here on this channel. So thank you so much for sticking with me. I see all of you guys who are new here. Welcome to my channel, and hopefully you guys stick around to see so much more awesome content here at Clear Then Refresh. I'm going to just get this room all tidied up as I usually would. Once I am done in the room, I'm going to just go ahead and tackle some laundry, because that is definitely a never ending task, I think, for every household. Like, let me know down in the comments if that is one of your sore spots in your house, like getting laundry done. I have gotten so much better with getting it done. I think it came down to me really minimizing my wardrobe, and I am in the process of just making a capsule type of wardrobe, which has helped out tremendously because I only have specific pieces that I wear. It may seem boring at times, but I love it because of the fact that it keeps the thought process from wandering and trying to figure out what I would like to wear. It's either going to be leggings, some black jeans, or like a t-shirt at this point. And that works for me. It's very simple, but that has definitely helped with keeping down my laundry here in the home. And thank goodness I only do mine and my little one's laundry, so that helps out a huge ton. But he does have a huge wardrobe. But I have gotten better with just keeping up on it, making sure that we're getting at least 1 to 2 loads done a day, and it has saved so much time and clutter from happening. So let me know, what is your sore spot when it comes to your household? Is it dusting? Is it laundry? What is it? I would love to know down below. So once I got done wiping down our dining table, I wanted to go ahead and focus my attention over on our coffee bar area. As you've seen, it is a clean slate. I usually take everything down from the previous holiday or prior decorations, just so that I can start fresh and not have to take everything down before I redecorate. So this is just a table runner that I picked up from the 99-cent store. If you've seen any of my previous Decorate With Me's, you guys know I love me a good 99-cent store find, and this was definitely one. When I tell you their products have really picked up, like, I am so impressed every single holiday. I cannot even wait until Christmas stuff comes out, because their fall and Halloween stuff really was amazing this year. So here is what this looks like up close. It got some spooky houses, some ghosts, some spider webs. It is so stinking cute, you guys, and a perfect touch to this space here. So now I'm just going to go ahead and focus on the lattice. So this lattice piece is actually one that me and my husband built and put it here just to kind of separate the spaces. So I'm just going to be taking this cloth, some bats and some ghosts, and also this banner. So this banner was a 2-piece banner, but I used the other half on our entertainment center in the living room space. You guys will see that in a bit. So pretty much I am just going to be using some paper clips actually to just kind of hang this on the lattice. No particular form or fashion, just kind of draping it over just to kind of give it a little bit of a spooky, soft, spooky vibe. And then once I was done with that, I went ahead and just applied the bat and the ghost on top of here. And then I put the banner across, and I absolutely love how this area turned out. So now we're going to go ahead and decorate the dining table, and I'm using yet another 99-cent store find, and this is a tablecloth, a lace one that has spider webs and spiders on it, and I will show you guys what it looks like once I spread it all out on our table here. The detail in this tablecloth is absolutely stunning. I love it so much. So to go with this, I went ahead and pretty much just went with a black and white kind of theme. I kept everything really simple this year. So I found this black and white pumpkin. It was for $2.49, and it's really, really simple. It's giving Beetlejuice vibes. I went ahead and picked up this 2-tier tray as well. And then I added some little like glitter twine that they also sold at the 99-cent store, and just kind of intertwine that in just so it stays. And then I also found this skull that I've seen that was really, really popular. Usually people would show the one from the Dollar Tree, but I picked this one up at the 99-cent store. And then I have these table mats that I picked up last year that were actually on sale. I think I got them for like 50 cents a piece, you guys. Like immediately once the season's over, everything goes on sale. And I got a really good deal on a lot of my decor. from last year, and I just added this to the table. I thought these were going to be too much, but they turned out to be perfect. How it all came together, but it really did. I'm just going to take this Harvest Fest pumpkin and add to the skull, and this is how the table turned out. Let me know what you guys think. So if you guys seen my video of my first fall decorating video for this year, you seen that I put up these bats. They are still hanging on, and so now we're just gonna zhuzh it up with some Halloween decor. So first, starting out with this web that I picked up on Amazon, and I love the web this year that I found. It's super thick but definitely really stretchy. And then these lanterns, I actually picked these up also from the 99-cent store, along with these ornaments as well. So the lanterns I picked up for my fall decor, I showed them for when I decorated my first video, and then I just took these, added some ornaments inside of it, and I think it was like a nice cute little touch to bring fall and Halloween together. And I think this turned out really cute. It's really simple and affordable as well. The lanterns I think were about $7.99 a piece. But they are super versatile. I plan on also reusing them also for Christmas and other holidays as needed. So here I am, just pretty much just adding these little pieces, these pumpkins. This pumpkin here, this two-tiered one, I got from Falling Prices for like $2. And then I added the other lantern as well. I did not add anything in there. And then I'm just going to add this black candle as well. This one smells really good. I forgot the scent of it, but I thought it was a perfect touch. And then I just added some boo lettering from a banner that I had from last year. I just did not use the string. I just pretty much attached it right onto the web, and it stayed pretty well, honestly. And then here goes that second part of the banner from the coffee bar. This is the spooky one, and I thought it was going to be perfect right here on our entertainment area. And I just really love how this turned out. Very simple decor. It doesn't take away from the space whatsoever, but definitely gives holiday vibes. And the ghost said it wanted it to go here. So next, I'm just gonna go ahead and string these pumpkins that I picked up from Falling Prices last year. Once again, for like $2. And you pretty much add some batteries to it and they light up. I haven't actually added batteries to these. I just wanted it more for the aesthetic and the look, but I may later on add batteries to it. So here I'm just playing around with how I wanted it to go. I thought it was gonna look nice if I hung it around that pumpkin there, but then it looked really weird. So as you will see, I did change that, but it definitely came together. But like I said, very simple, still with the Halloween spooky vibes, but not overdone. So let me know what you guys think down in the comments. And also let me know, did you decorate this year for Halloween? So you guys, that is it for today's video. As I mentioned, this is going to be a simple, cozy fall Halloween decorate with me. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel if you like content like this. I would love to have you, and make sure your post notifications are on. Make sure to do all 3 steps. Click subscribe, click the notification bell, and click all so that you don't miss any future uploads. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Let me know what you guys think down below, and also follow me over on Instagram. All of my information will be down in the description box for you guys down below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, you guys.